How to create a Happn account. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a Happn account. So let's start. First of all, make sure to download and update the app to the latest version. After that, open it. As you open the Happn app, you will come to an interface like this. Now you will have two options to create your Happn account. You can either connect with Google, that is by using your email address, or you can connect with Facebook, that is by using your Facebook account. You can select the one that you want to use. For now, I'll select connect with Google. Then after, tap on accept conditions. Furthermore, tap on accept. Now you'll have to select the email address that you want to use to create the Happn account. Select the one that you want. Now it's time to enter your first name. After entering your name, tap on the proceed option. After that, you'll have to enter your date of birth. Make sure to use the date that gives the idea of your actual age. It doesn't have to be the actual date of birth. After that, it will ask you if you want to change your date of birth or you want to continue with your account. Tap on validate if you are happy with your birth date. Then you'll have to choose your gender. Select the options based on your details and preferences. Now you'll have to add a photo of yours. Make sure to add a photo showing your full face. After you have added your photos, tap on continue. Now you can choose your preferences such as what are you looking for on the Happn app, and then you can choose your interest or hobbies. For now, I'll tap on skip. You can also add your height and other personal details. When you enter all of your details, your profile will be successfully created. Then you will start seeing all the profiles near your area. So in this way, you can easily create your Happn account. That's it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.